As the open search window shows, there are 257 occurrences of the word "word" in the New Testament. At the beginning of John's Gospel, this is the title given to Jesus, but is it applied to him anywhere else? In this video, I'll show you how to use the AND=equals operator to answer those sorts of questions. This operator returns results when both terms are linked to the same location in the text. In this particular case, one is the English translation and the other is some additional tagging. Add AND=Jesus to the search field and select the person of Jesus from the drop-down menu. This is the additional tagged information. Then run the search. Did you realise this equivalence was only seen in the Johannine writings? This type of search can be used in many different ways. Use it to find where God is speaking to Moses by entering the string speaker, person God, and equals addressee, person Moses in the search box. To find where Jesus is speaking words of command in an inline search, open a Bible to John 2, right-click on Fill, this is an example of a command, select the propositional outline command on the left and choose the inline search on the right. And this shows all the places in the Bible tagged as commands. Then add AND=speaker person Jesus to the search field to focus on just those verses where Jesus is speaking commands. So the AND=equals operator is a really good way of finding places where two different kinds of data overlap. And there are a range of training videos that explore different search operators. Please have a look at them to enhance your search capability within Logos.